Today, smartphones have become an essential part of most people's lives. In fact, approximately 80% of individuals reach for their phones within 15 minutes of waking up. Additionally, we can't overlook the significance of laptops, tablets, headphones, and various other electronic devices that we rely on daily. Ensuring that these devices remain powered is crucial, even when we venture into the great outdoors for camping or hiking. This is where power banks prove invaluable. However, power banks have their limitations. If they run out of power during your vacation, you'll find yourself in a bind. But here's a fascinating solution from a team in China: a foldable wind generator with a 200-watt capacity. This compact device is capable of recharging your electronic gadgets even in remote wilderness areas. What's more, it can harness energy from a gentle breeze and is designed to function seamlessly even in rainy conditions. The best part? It weighs less than 5 kilograms. Who knows? Perhaps one day you'll proudly tell your friends, "I've got a wind turbine right in my backpack." When preparing for a camping trip, you find yourself faced with an array of items to pack, including clothing, toiletries, medications, and kitchen equipment, just to name a few. In order to maintain a simple and efficient organization of these essentials, a practical system has been developed. This system relies on the use of versatile boxes and organizer racks. Take, for instance, the Hub 50 box. It features a dedicated fridge section, a side grid, and 4 compartments that can house removable containers. These containers also serve a dual purpose as drawers when placed within the rack organizer. Additionally, you have the option to acquire pre-made containers tailored for specific needs, such as one for first aid supplies, another for hygiene products, and even one designed to accommodate a filtration system. Regarding pricing, the Hub 50 box is priced at $500, while the rack organizer is available for $220. Take a look at this remarkable mug, often described as your personal chef. Why? Because it offers more than the simple task of heating water. It can prepare a wide variety of meals, including soups, stews, pasta, vegetables, grains, and even popcorn. The mug's intelligence shines as it autonomously determines the ideal temperature and cooking duration for each dish. Once your meal is ready, it automatically turns off. With its powerful 500-watt output, it boils water in just 5 minutes. Additionally, it boasts a generous capacity of up to 470 milliliters, making it an ideal companion whether you're embarking on a solo hiking adventure or spending time with friends. This fantastic mug is available for purchase at the price of $161. If you've been concerned about the power consumption of smart mugs and similar gadgets, you might find this innovative tent to be the perfect solution. This tent harnesses solar energy to charge its 20,000 milliamp-hour battery gradually. What sets it apart is its array of ports, including USB Type-C, micro USB, and even Lightning ports. Additionally, it comes equipped with built-in LED lighting, making it suitable for year-round enjoyment. Setting up this tent is a breeze, taking just about 5 minutes. However, it's worth noting that it weighs approximately 5.5 kilograms and is priced at $600. Here's a clever way to enjoy a warm outdoor shower with the assistance of the sun. This portable shower system can efficiently heat your water, raising its temperature from 22 to 30 degrees Celsius in approximately 3 hours, especially on a sunny day with a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Capable of holding up to 10 liters of water, this shower features a clever design. It includes a built-in pump, eliminating the need for hanging, and is remarkably lightweight, weighing less than a kilogram. Additionally, it comes with a convenient 2.6-meter hose that allows easy connection to other mobile showers. The price for this practical device is $80. In 2020, one of the standout stories in the automotive world was the resurgence of the Hummer brand. While this comeback is undeniably cool, there's a significant twist. All the new Hummer vehicles are going electric. While this shift means no more exhaust emissions and a greener approach to transportation, it also makes them an ideal choice for camping enthusiasts. In collaboration with EarthCruiser, they've introduced a camping variant known as the GMC HUMMER EV EarthCruiser. What's impressive about this camper is its carbon fiber body, combining durability with all the essential comforts. Inside, you'll find a full-size bed and a well-appointed kitchen complete with appliances. Moreover, it's powered by a robust 605-watt solar panel and features a 6 kilowatt-hour battery, ensuring you have ample power for an entire week of outdoor living. Managing temporary sanitation needs during camping trips or extended journeys can often pose challenges. However, this kit provides a straightforward, rapid, and environmentally friendly solution. It comprises a compact shovel and 2 packets of tablets. The tablets in the first bag undergo a transformation into wipes when they come into contact with moisture. Meanwhile, the tablets in the second bag contain mycelium, which serves to break down waste and eliminate harmful bacteria. Notably, the mycelium also assists in the decomposition of the wipes from the first packet. With approximately 20 uses in one kit, it remains remarkably lightweight, tipping the scales at just 120 grams. What's more, this practical solution is affordably priced at $35. Preparing meals at a campsite can pose challenges, particularly on hot, windless days. However, this fan offers a welcome solution, helping to make cooking more comfortable and keeping the chefs cool. With a robust 20,000 milliamp-hour battery, this fan can run for up to 100 hours. Its flexibility shines through with 360-degree horizontal and 270-degree vertical rotation, enabling you to precisely direct the airflow where you need it, rather than relying on chance. As a bonus, it features built-in LEDs that can create a cozy atmosphere for evening and nighttime dining. You can purchase this versatile fan for $130. Among the many innovations, the Dutch company Flavobike has made a significant impact with its versatile GoLo platform. This platform has proven exceptionally valuable for constructing sturdy cargo bikes, boasting an impressive 200-kilogram load capacity. With its 4 wheels and independent suspension, it offers exceptional handling and a smooth riding experience. Now they've taken this platform a step further by introducing a camping bike variation powered by a solar panel. In fully self-sufficient mode, it can cover distances of up to 50 kilometers per day. During rest stops, you won't have to sacrifice comfort as the bike comes equipped with a bed, ventilation, a versatile table, and even a fridge. Furthermore, it maintains a modest width of just 88 centimeters, making it well-suited for navigating bike paths.